Marshall Baker here from MyBoatingPro Marine Grade Camera Mounts. Today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to install the Barracuda on your vessel. The Barracuda is very universal and will fit on any tubular railings or posts on any boat, including the tower of your ski boat, the railings on the flybridge of a saltwater fishing boat, or the hand railings on a sailboat. The method of attachment to any of these vessels is identical in every way. In this instructional video, I will be attaching the Barracuda to the post of the frame on my fly fishing raft. When your Barracuda arrives, it will be in packaging like this. Inside the packaging is a neoprene spacer kit, as well as the Barracuda mount itself. A safety feature designed into the Barracuda is a stainless steel cotter pin, which will not allow the latch to open up. So the first thing we need to do is take that security pin out. Here's a close-up of the safety cotter pin. Just simply pull it out and the latch will release. On the opposite side of the latch is a groove that the bail fits into when you latch it closed, like so. We now need to open up our neoprene spacer kit and determine how many, if any, neoprene spacers we need. In my case, I determined that I needed 2 neoprene spacers. One is a 1/4 inch and the other is 3/16 inch. The neoprene spacers are die cut to fit into the inside diameter of the mount. Simply put the spacer right on top there and press down. You want to check to see you have roughly the same amount of space here as there is here. In this example, I have more open space here than there is there. So just simply move the spacer a little bit and there you go. Same thing on this side. Press it down in the middle. Checking to see if you have roughly the same amount of space here as there is there. In this case, after I moved it, we did. Once the neoprene spacers are installed, I need to place the mount where I want it attached. In my case, I'll attach it to the post of my raft frame right here. Simply close the mount around the tubular structure and place the latch bail in the groove that I showed you earlier right there. At this point, we just need to close the latch and it should snap, indicating a good tight fit, like that. A good way to know if you have the correct spacers is to grab the mount at the attachment arm and wiggle it to see if it's loose. If we didn't have enough spacer width, the mount would be loose in the post. If I had too much spacer width, we wouldn't be able to close the latch at all. Now the last thing we have to do is put our safety cotter pin back in its hole and spread out the ends of it. Now that I've showed you in detail how quick and easy it is to install the Barracuda, let's set up a timer and see just really how quick and easy it is to install. First thing you need to do, take out the safety cotter pin. Open up the mount, take your neoprene spacers, place them on the inside diameter of the mount, and do the same with the other spacer, making sure there's equal spacing there. Place it where you want to on your vessel. Put the bail in the groove I showed you earlier and snap the latch down. The last thing we need to do is put in the safety cotter pin. Open it up so the latch cannot come undone. Less than 30 seconds.